How to recover a Gmail account using recovery phone number. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and then type in Gmail account recovery. Now click on the very first one website link, support.google.com. Once you're in this page, scroll down. Now click on the option Recover your Google or Gmail account. You'll be directed to this page. Now type in the email or phone number. Once you type in that, click on Next. Now you will be prompted to enter the phone number that is linked with your email account. So type in that phone number over here and then click on Next. You will be receiving code in the phone number that you have just entered. So you'll need to type in that code over here and then click on Next. With that, you'll be directed to next page where you'll need to generate new password for your Gmail. Type in that, confirm it. With that, your Gmail account will be recovered. So this is how you can easily recover a Gmail account using recovery phone number. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.